today is a very, very, very big day for me. Because it's the first time that the entire world and all my fans are going to know me through just this small little diary, even if it's a style diary. But as you read the pages and as you turn the pages, you get to know Kareena the person. And I'd like to thank Mrs. Shobha De, a woman I've completely admired and respected. She's been honest, she's independent, she's what I think every woman really aspires to be. I've always looked up to her ever since I've been a child, and also always feared her because she's fiercely honest, but that's the way I am as well. Nice to hear a compliment that I have lost weight. Yes, I have, because I've been practicing Iyengar yoga. I've shifted the style of yoga that I was doing. I used to do Ashtanga, and now I'm gone into Iyengar, which is actually very, very tiring, but I'm enjoying it. And yes, there's a lot of size zero. There's diets from Rujita, my dietitian that Rochelle kind of spoke to, and we sat together and we've chalked out all my plans that I've actually followed during the size zero phase. There's also a lot of stuff that I've said, about being a chubby girl and how I really felt being, and I was quite comfortable. And so there's a little tips out there for the chubby chicas, which is actually what the chapter is called. When Mrs. Day called me and told me that she wanted to do a book on me, obviously I was like, I still have to live my life. I want to write my book at 60 or 65. I don't know, because there are probably going to be more scandals. Who knows? Something more interesting that will happen 20 years later. I don't know. I don't want to put a full stop and write a book now. I want to leave it open. But she was like, no, it's going to be a style diary. So obviously at that moment I realized that, okay, I am stylish, so I should take the compliment. And I kind of enjoyed it, and I took on, actually took on the mantle and the responsibility of what it's like to be a style diva, become that and feel that, and talk about, pointers on it, talk to the young teens and the youngsters out there who, like you said, do kind of look up to me. So, and if you open any chapter in our book, there's something for everyone, whether it's someone who's even like 14 to 35 or 40. I mean, I have to say 40 because my husband's 40 plus, so there has to be something for the 40 pluses out there. So there's, it's for everyone. And so I kind of enjoyed playing this role, but it's also quite a responsibility to always be very stylish, I have to admit.